everyone, I'm Palak and I'm here to talk about the top 5 ways in which you can be a change maker. I'm the co-founder of Green Governance Initiative, an organization that works in India with young people who want to create an impact in sustainable development goals and parliamentarians who want to hear these young people. I'm also an alumni of London School of Economics. I did my master's in the International Social and Public Policy from 2019 to 2020. So let's go and talk about the top 5 ways in which you can change the world. Way 1. Listen carefully. More often than not, we are so excited about creating impact that we tend to just impose our own actions and our own ideas of development on people we are talking to. Make sure you listen to them. Do not just impose yourself for the sake of creating an impact, but try to listen what they really want your impact to be about. Way 2. When you're listening, make sure you listen to a lot of people, because once you start exploring the impact sector, you will see there are a lot of places where change is needed, where impact is needed, and you might not be sure like me on what impactful way you want to work or which sector you want to work in. So in that case, if you volunteer at multiple places, it becomes easier to narrow down what personally moves you. Way 3. While you're actually going about volunteering at these multiple places, one really easy thing to do is network around people. Find like-minded people who are moved by the causes like you, care about issues you care about, and want to move forward in this direction. Because once you go ahead, you will find that you would need these people to either create your own initiatives or to collaborate on various initiatives they are doing. Way 4. Start small. It doesn't really matter how huge your beginning is, because at the end of it, you would be affecting at least one person, and that is enough. So if you cannot affect 1 million people, 1,000 people, 100 people, just be satisfied in how many lives you are affecting and be happy about the change you are able to create positively. Way 5, which is not as much of a way as much as it is a tip. So when you're building a career in social impact sector, it becomes very obvious that you would not be getting a lot of financial reward. So one thing you have to really care about is being patient with the way money comes or rewards come in this sector, because it will be a long way till you receive any kind of compensation, whether it's a societal appreciation or a financial package. So be patient in this journey, and I'm pretty sure you will do amazing work. Good luck to all the young people from LSE who are trying to create positive change, and good luck.